Hey everybody.
Hey kids. Good thing I made it here. Please.
Hey bucket list buddies, welcome to another episode.
Hi kids.
How you doing today? So today we decided to share with you
To play.
how we play on our e-bikes.
Yeah.
We have been trotting all over Florida here, the Keys and East Coast and West Coast and everything
Vero,
else, right?
Orlando, correct. Yeah.
And we've been riding these e-bikes everywhere. And we thought, why don't we share with you some of our rides?
Let's show you what we do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, sometimes we just put the camera on with really no purpose,
Right.
but we do capture some good stuff.
Yeah.
So we thought, let's
Hey,
make...
wait a minute. Our purpose is to have fun.
Well, we are having fun, and that does happen, but
So we have purpose.
we have purpose.
I have purpose.
Yeah, that's true. It's a fun purpose. But we decided to pull all this stuff together because it really didn't fit in any other video we did.
Yeah.
And so you guys can enjoy the sights and the views that we've seen, you know, going all over the Keys and
Yeah.
East Coast, West Coast of Florida, and Vero
Pedaling,
Beach.
yep,
Yeah.
pedaling everywhere. Yep.
You'll see we go through a couple memorials. Very moving for one of them in Key West for you.
For myself, yep.
Yeah.
So just a little bit to share. Let me go there.
Yeah.
We did the AIDS walk. It was a memorial in Key West. And you weren't able to see it, but I had taken some video from my family and myself.
Right.
I was pretty choked up. Most people don't know. My sister passed over 10 years ago from complications of being HIV positive for over 10 years. It was a long fight and battle. She battled everything valiantly. But it's all reality. It's all part of who we are.
Yeah.
And it's part of everyday life. And we felt it really important to share that part because it touched our lives, and it's almost like cancer. You know, you always know somebody that has it, or you're related to somebody, and none of this tragic stuff, unfortunately, is that far from our touch. So
Yeah.
be glad for what you have, be grateful, and
So that was a very moving moment for Joe, and we have to admit we had to stop and take a breath afterwards because we were both teared up
Yeah.
from it all.
Yep.
And we needed a moment. So
I was swept away, to be honest. I didn't
Yeah.
think it would really wallop me the way it did.
yeah,
But it did. I had to really gather myself, didn't I?
you sure did. And I never like to see her upset. So then it got me, and we were both bubbling idiots sitting there the whole time.
Yeah.
But in any rate, we also went to an island that was a Veterans Memorial in Vero Beach, which was
Yeah.
just moving.
It was incredible. Yeah.
Very, very, very beautiful.
Yeah.
So sit back, relax, enjoy this. It's not very long, and we'll be right back, and we got some great announcements for you when we get back.
Indeed we do. Be right back.
All right. All right, everybody.
Hi. Hi.
Here we are. We're on a nice little bike ride. Although there's cars going by here. I want to go back by the ball now.
You want to go back there?
Anyway, here we are on a nice little cute picnic bench. Gonna have a little snack.
A snack and food.
And oh, let me not forget a little wine too.
Oh wait, I have some yummy good
Cheese
cheddar.
and crackers and
Nice
cheddar.
Cheddar.
Because cheddar makes it better.
Don't say that again on camera.
Cheddar makes it better.
Cheers, everybody.
Yeah, but you don't have any wine in there yet. So, don't know what's going to happen today, but we're going to continue to video the day
We'll find out.
as we continue to live our bucket list life drinking
On a golf course.
on a golf
I didn't
course.
say that out loud.
What could go wrong? Oh, and by the way, that's our ride. So
Tough day in the neighborhood.
we're going to test
slumming
these
it.
out in sand traps across water hazards.
And on the 16th.
Just kidding. We're not going to go in sand traps and water hazards.
Yes, we are.
Right there.
Yes, we are. Just pop my head.
No, we're
Yes,
not.
we are.
No, we're not.
Say yeah. No. Yes, no, we're not.
There's so much traffic here, honey. This isn't very romantic.
It's not.
This is the spot she picked out.
Right.
I had a spot way in the back.
And he drove right by it.
No, I
He said,
wanted...
you stay there, Joe. I'm going over here, is what you said.
Because the wine and beer were with me. Although she had the snacks. I like the snacks. So, I guess we have to stick together. Hey everybody, welcome back.
Howdy.
So those were some beautiful locations. Hope you enjoyed the Key West.
Yeah.
And a little tour through my parents' place, Grand Harbor Resort, which is a golf and tennis resort. We talked about that in the last video.
Yeah.
But as you saw now, just a few more sites from that area. It's a beautiful place. So if you guys are looking for property in Vero Beach, that's kind of a place to go. If you
Especially
like
if you
golf
like
and
the golf.
tennis and boating and all that, it's all right there.
Yeah. Important.
Now, yeah, big news.
Big news. Sunday. Monday.
Monday, yeah. Now, Sunday, we're not going to
Monday.
put a video out on Sunday because Monday we are going to go live. And why are we doing that? We are celebrating 1 year on YouTube. So this will be our 1 year celebration. March 7th was the date we launched our very first video.
We want you all to join us. Please.
Yes, so
support.
log in on
We have
Monday.
no idea what we're doing.
I'm a little nervous, to be honest.
Maybe I shouldn't say that.
We have some, we have idea what we're doing and what we're talking about.
Yeah, we do. You're right.
She has no faith in me. She thinks it's going to crash and burn.
Wait, I have no faith in me. It has nothing to do with you, honey.
So we are going to be live, and it is going to be at 7:30 Eastern time.
Eastern Standard Time on
Yes.
Monday the 7th.
Correct.
However, guess what the 6th is?
I don't know.
It's his birthday.
I'm going to be 29 again. 29. I'm like an old tree. Cut me in half and you'll see a whole lot of rings.
Good God, don't cut him in half.
Why, you still need me?
Yes.
Yeah. No, she doesn't need me. I see that out of the side of my eye.
You do, don't you?
All right,
Okay.
so stay tuned for that. We're really excited about it. We're very
Yes.
nervous, but we're also excited. We're going to have some huge announcements.
Yeah.
Hopefully we're going to have the updates on the contest that we are starting. Again, we were supposed to start that contest today, but we don't have all the contracts done and in place.
Right.
Why?
Vendors
Yeah, vendors, partners.
dragging their feet.
Still, the attorneys got involved, so they're trying to figure out
course.
all the legalese and stuff like that.
Just give it to me, I'll sign.
I know. I know. You're like, it's all be
We're
fine.
good.
This might be, we're not positive, we have to do a little research, but might be the biggest contest.
Biggest ever in the world history of contests.
Okay, we're going to bring that back in a little bit. It might be the biggest contest that
Ever.
we've had in
Ever.
YouTube
Ever.
for
Ever.
this segment of the market, for the RV segment.
Segment ever.
It's going to be big, guys. If it all goes as planned, it's going to be
Yeah.
huge. You're
And
gonna,
if it's not,
it's her fault.
yeah,
It's her fault.
the story of my life.
So hopefully you guys will join us on the live event, and we'll have more updates on that.
Yep.
And hopefully it'll all be done, and then we can tell them everything.
Share everything with you guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
In addition to that, we're going to talk a little bit about Joe's health and bring you up to speed on that.
Keepers and tongue and etc.
and all of that kind of stuff. So
Yeah.
there's a lot of information that's going to be shared, and we're going to be answering some of your questions as well.
That's
Yes.
right. Very quickly, I'd like to
Yeah.
say a shout out to all of our new people that come in and visit and start watching and sharing. We appreciate you.
Yes.
And we love new faces
And
and
so,
new subscribers. So we really, really appreciate you guys' support.
yeah, and if you are new,
Yep.
don't forget to what?
Like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
That's right, you got it.
And share.
And share, do all the share, do all the
Yeah,
things, as Todd likes
comment.
to say, do all the things.
Do all the fun things, yeah.
If you've already been subscribed to us for a long time, we really appreciate you guys.
Yep.
And all of you that are not yet there, but on our Bucket List Buddies,
Bucket List Buddies on Facebook.
our private page on Facebook.
Yeah.
Go ahead and hit the link below if you'd like to join us. We talk about anything and everything there.
That's right. It is,
You get a little inside stuff there.
yeah. You
Right?
can comment away.
Right.
That's right, yeah.
And for those of you that want to help support us and do a little extra, you can go ahead and click that little join button right there.
Yeah. Be part of our life like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. It helps us out a ton.
Helps Joanne quite a bit.
It does, really.
We really, it takes a
We-
lot to do all of this, so all the help we can get, we appreciate.
We do.
Well, thanks for watching. Anything else, Joe?
Make it the most best bucket list day ever. Are you going to do that?
Drop the mic. See ya.
It should have been mic drop. You even blew that.
Oh, we're going to do those again. I'll do that.
No, leave it. That's good. Leave it. And you can put the other part after it.
Okay, are we done?
You are done.